double minute. 250. Yes. Come on. See me. Fine. Still amazing. The trumpets are going, you can barely hear it. Yes. That's more like it. Yes. All right. Back up. One more. Okay.
What's up, guys? We're on Double Up. We're on $25 bets. Let's make some money. We need some words. 500 for a mini, 1,000 for the minor. Yes, we're all on dimes. Let's go. Scoot it back just a hair. Can we get a word? May I have a word with you? Oh, don't be a dud. Top one. Oh, we're done with the top one. Might be done with the bottom one too. Yeah. Nice. $200. Come on. Come on. Land it. Land it. Oh, that minor went by. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright guys, we got a $48 bet, 10 cent a dime. Let's get this bad boy. Let's do the Jackpot Joe special here. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Give me some good numbers. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. That's, oh wait, that's a thousand. Oh shit, alright, got a hand baby. Fuck yes. There we go. Go. Go.
Yeah, see some words.
Yeah, minis 1,000, minors 2,000. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh shit. Oh, that was the mini. That should have been the meaty. Come on. No, you got the minor 2,000. Oh, yes. Holy shit. Alright, let's get that one, yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? I was like, where are those little birds?
Yes. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. I got 2 more chances. Come on, right here. I need to hit something. Yes. The drive still stays alive. Let's go. Come on. Come on, right here. All right, 2 chances. Let's go. Oh. Come on, get it right here.
Come on.
Last one. Oh, yes. Come on, baby.
Get it.
Let's go. 4 spins. Come on.
Some chances.
Just
Where's
flash.
that?
All right, last one. Oh, that's still good. I had an $800 or $900 ticket, and I was going back and forth. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna borrow your machine. I'm gonna look at it.
The attendant will come. Maybe.
Awesome.